Hidden Talent. Aklan Catholic College, based TMP. So today we're going to interview one of the staff of Limits Cafe in Kalibo. So first of all, can you briefly introduce yourself, sir?
Good morning everyone, I'm John Chundosho. I'm barista here in Afflix. I live in Bangaklan. So the name of the business is Off Limits and it's a cafe resto located here in Ras Avenue Extension ng Tagapalimak. So as a barista, gumagawa kami ng coffee, and aside from coffee, we also offer soda-based products, tea-based. May mga newly released din kaming drinks. You can check on the page. And we also offer food. So yung main duty namin as a barista is hindi lang siya nakafocus sa making drinks or coffee. We also give service and extend our duties in the kitchen if needed. So, actually, nung nag-start kami ng 24/7, nag-apat na yung shifting namin. Pero before, 2 shifts lang kami, morning and closing. So, ngayon, may morning duties kami, may mid, may closing, and graveyard shift. So, 4 na shifting yan. Actually, kami yung pioneer ng Off Limits. So, nag-open yung cafe namin is December 10. So, 6 months na kami ngayon na nag-ooperate. So, 6 months din kami na naka-duty dito sa cafe. So, since 6 months pa lang kami dito sa cafe, under probationary period pa kami. So, yung government, yung benefits na nakukuha namin ngayon is hindi pa napaprocess until regularization. So, siguro yung pinaka-benefit na nakukuha namin dito is yung free yung staff meal namin, tsaka pag nag-overtime, may pay naman yun. So, yun lang.
So, sixth question is, are you receiving the minimum wage or above wage?
Luckily, above minimum wage kami dito sa cafe. So, siguro yun yung pinaka-thankful kami kasi kahit bago pa lang kami is above minimum wage yung salary namin.
Okay, what is your employment status?
Since sabi ko nga 6 months pa lang kami dito na trabaho, under probationary period pa kami, pero maybe by the end of June sign na kami ng new contract as regular.
What inspired you to continue your work?
So since I graduated 2016 same school tayo, yung first job ko is barista din, pero nasa Boracay ako na work, pioneer din ako din sa Highlands Coffee. So after that, siguro na-realize ko din na may passion ako sa paggawa ng coffee. Paggawa ng drinks or using coffee beans. So siguro yun yung isang inspiration ko na balik sa pagiging barista din up until now.
So, what major challenge do you encounter now in managing daily operations, and how did you handle it?
Siguro wala namang major challenges. Yung pressure lang pag sobrang dami ng customer kasi nakakasalamuhan namin yung iba-ibang customer kasi iba-ibang attitude. So siguro yung pinaka-challenge lang dun is yung patience mo kung paano ka mag-deliver ng menu and drinks and food sa customer, and how to communicate with them patiently.
What your labor rights are respected by your employer?
Yes, kasi ever since na nag-apply kami dito, walang boundaries sa boss namin. Parang barkada lang namin yung boss namin. Pero syempre, yung respeto namin sa kanya as the owner is naandyan pa rin kahit na parang yung treatment niya sa amin is parang barkada lang talaga.